Welcome students. Myself is Sumit Upadhyay. I am teaching specialist in Indian polity. I am ex-educator of Unacademy. I have taught in judiciary category general study for 6 months and I have more than 5 years of teaching experience of different online and offline platform in India. Now I am going to start intensive program with Unacademy. In this intensive program, I will discuss to you about Indian polity, about 100 hours session plan. So now come to the point, what is the session plan in which I will taught you. Session plan will be 400 hours. In this session plan, I will teach you governance, constitution, Indian polity, Indian constitution. In this topic, I will discuss first of all historical background of Indian constitution. After that, constitutional assembly, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, directive principle of state policy. In Indian government, I will discuss about president, vice president, prime minister, council of minister, attorney general of India, legislature. In legislature, I will discuss about Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Supreme Court, High Court. In state government, I will discuss about governor, chief minister, council of minister, advocate general of state. In part 11 or 12 in Indian constitution, I will discuss about relation between central government and state government, financial relation, legislature relation, and executive relation. After that, election commission of India, special provision for some classes. After that, emergency provision. There are many topics of Indian polity in which I will discuss concept with MSQ. Today, I will discuss most important topic of Indian polity. Topic name is important constitution amendment. In this topic, I will discuss the most important constitutional amendment, 42 constitutional amendment. 42 constitutional amendment is also called mini constitution because it is very important amendment of the Indian constitution. So three new words were added by this amendment in the preamble of the Indian constitution: socialist, secular, and integrity. After that, fundamental duties were also added by the 42 constitutional amendment in part 4A of the constitutional amendment by in article 15(1)(a). Besides, it made the president bound by the advice of the cabinet by this amendment, provided for administrative tribunals and for the matters added part 14A. There are many constitutional amendments are related to the 42 constitutional amendment. The tenure of the Lok Sabha became 5 to 6 years by this amendment. Next constitutional amendment 44, constitutional amendment in 1978. This amendment was done at the time of Janata Party Sarkar. Morarji Desai was the prime minister at that time. This is also very important constitutional amendment because the right to property, which was fundamental rights, by this amendment was deleted from the list of fundamental rights and became legal right, that is included at present time in part 12A and article 300A. Besides it restored the original term of the Lok Sabha and the state legislature assembly from 6 to 5 years, restored the provisions with regard to the quorum in the parliament and state legislature assemblies, omitted the reference of the British House of Commons in the provisions pertaining to the parliamentary privilege. About it, grave constitutional production to publication in a newspaper, true reports of the proceedings of the parliament and state legislatures. So, 44 constitutional amendment is also very important constitutional amendment of this topic. Like this, I will discuss other topics of Indian polity and governance. If you like this session, thank you for watching this session. All of you, wish you all the best.